Good morning. This is VU3 Sierra Extra Lima handle Srinivas. I'm operating from this mega control room in Ganga Sagar here, and I'd like to give you a very brief what is happening in mega control room for the ham operations. This mega control room has all the facilities to track across all various points regarding bath cart, the transports, or regarding the jetties, regarding the pilgrimages. So my thing is to pass on the information all across the information to all ham points where our stations are there, okay, giving the most important information which we are gathering. So this is a very crucial hub where we are going to get the information and pass on the information regarding anything, whether it is the number of people coming, and if there is any fire accidents, is there any road emergency, is there any health emergency, or any kind of requirement, first aid and medical help. So any information we are going to pass on to our other hams in other stations. So this is briefly what we are operating 24/7 here in the morning to evening and passing on the information. Yeah, this is the ham control station here, which we are there in the mega control room. And also we have just beside us we have the toll-free helpline where we get calls to the toll-free helpline arranged by the West Bengal authorities, as well as we have here the hotlines for different departments. You can see from here for the PHP, MOH, hospital, fire, police, and info towers, and all the jetties. So we get a lot of information to these things, and we have a lot of around 800 CCTV cameras, and we have around 40 LED screens to have the entire glimpse of what is happening everywhere from point to point. Lot of technology and lot of arrangements have been done with using technology, and we also have this tracking system, GPRS system for the tracking, and we also have a wristband kind of thing for the pilgrimages. So technology is very good here, and everything is going good. So here you see here you can see lot of different places where all these LCD screens are placed. So for example, we have Babu Ghat, Ayodhya Nagar, Buffer Zone, and Diamond Harbour. You can see different places where what is happening. From again to go to the other parts where you have this LCT jetty zones. There are about almost 5-6 jetty zones where people are, and even the transports are being unloaded and coming on the boats and the vessels. Then from here going, once they are gone, you can see the main screen here, which is anything which is happening, any emergency. You can see the big LED screen, the mammoth major LED screen here, where you can see all the different happenings going on there, which is being projected. And also you can see if there is anything big emergency, that will be being displayed here, so that people will have a big shot on the screen view of this LED screen. And from there we can have other screens. We can see once the boat reaches, and this is the points. These are the points like Kachuperia and other points where the people and the vessels get down here, and they come into the main Ganga Sagar Island. From there you can see there are other stations like K1 bus stand and K2 bus stands, different points, and the Sagar beach areas also. We have 4 to 5 points where the areas they continuously monitor what is happening regarding the sea, what is the water level that is being sent, how it is, so water levels are there. And you can see from there here also we have the drone operations. We have 2 to 3 drone operations being done. You can see complete view of the drone operations, from entire view from above, and the 360 degrees view. And these are all the stations where you can see. This is a tracker. We have the VHP tracker where we have this VHP. Yeah. Good morning. This is the mega control room where we are operating from. This is the actual main room from where we have all the around 40 CCTVs, and we also have monitoring being done for all the important places, starting from where the pilgrimages are starting, right from different areas, from the mainland to the Ganga Sagar Island. So here all the information related to all departments like PHE and road transport, fire, the bathing guards, and all kind of information, crucial information is being wanted here, and the response is very crucial in these kind of events. So the authorities have taken up a real good technology related activities, and we are supporting, we are mainly operating, we have a station here and we are operating from this main mega control room and passing on the information to our ham friends in various places across various stations, point to point communications. So we also have a trackers technology using the EAT Vahan tracker, which again is able to track all the
routes.
all the vehicles, so where exactly is the position. And also we have this wristband also being taken up by the authorities here, so all the pilgrims are being wristband and being tracked. And also our brothers are doing a very good service regarding this lost and found people. So we are passing on the information, tracking them using this their IDs and all these things. So here a lot of activities going on, and mega control room is very furnished with a lot of technologies and lot of devices here, and you can see the latest devices.